Hello everyone, this is your Diecast noob, and we have a very special guest.
New edition. collector. Enjoy my cars, my diecast collection. I'm no hoarder, just a collector. Enjoy my cars, my diecast